gotta take this door handle out because I don't know if you can see it, it's broken. So I'm about to rip this door handle out so I can put the new one in. I just changed the switch for here. The old one was no good, and yeah, quite frankly, it was just no good. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Had to clean this out because this was horrible. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but yeah, that's not good. So yeah, just small stuff, nothing major. Back to work, guys. So I keep forgetting it gets dark early, but new door handle on. I literally had to break some pieces off of the old one because of how it was stuck on there, but that's done. But let's move on. So once I finished the door handle, what I did was I came in here and we had to take this down because the plexiglass was broken. So we found out that this did have the light strip, but the light strip was messed up. So we have new light strips. We're gonna get the new plexiglass, put it up here, put this back up. The seat is going back. We fixed this cup holder area. I just gotta get the slots to go back in here. So as I'm putting the LED strips up, which I'll probably do that tomorrow in the daylight. Oh, and I got all new LED lights for these because this one is dead, this one was dead, and as you can see, this one is also dead. But is it dead or is it? Yeah, it's done. So yeah, we're getting this thing back up and going. All right. So I know I said I was gonna wait till it was light outside, but boom, the LED strip. I'm thinking since I have another one, I'm wondering if I should do like a line and a line, like a circle around like this, or maybe put a line here going across this strip. But it's so long, I don't know how that will work out. So I might leave it like this because this actually looks nice and I'm proud of that. Now the only question is when I put the plexiglass up, will the remote still work? But I mean, I think this is nice, and I can change the colors. See, then look. So I can go red, green, blue. Different shades of shit. White. Auto. Kind of feeling a slow fade, but yeah. So next, plexiglass, then put this back up, put the pole back up, clean this thing back out, and we're back in business. So this is what I did so far. Tomorrow we'll finish up with the plexiglass and all that good stuff. So glass is in, pole is back up, lights are working perfectly. I decided to put the light switch on the outside because if anything does go wrong, it's easy to access, and I made a little slot here so that this side will always be connected, and then if I want to do something else, I can connect it from the outside here. So I am super proud of this, man. It's a lot of work, but hey, it's coming together. So I just want to say, for all the people who's been supporting, thank you. You have no idea how much I appreciate all the love and support that I have been getting. If you're not already, please like, share, subscribe. I'm proud of the work that I did here. This is a real different project for me, but I mean, for what it's worth, I'm happy I did it. So thank you, one love. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.